Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Service, and before we get started, go and join the New Wave Facebook group. In this video, Ashton and I will be detailing 2 Range Rovers and a Lincoln Navigator. When I have 3 or more vehicles, I like to bring help. I've done them alone before, but it's always good when Ashton comes along. He definitely makes everything easier. On days like this, make sure you have the proper rest. Eat a good breakfast and have plenty of fluids and snacks on hand. I've gotten a lot of work and customers by being seen. It never fails. I can't count how many times I've been detailing a vehicle and someone asks for a card, or do I have time for one more? Early in my detailing career, I quickly learned that when people see you detailing, it makes them want one too. But over the years, I quickly discovered that being seen virtually can bring you even more customers. In this day and time, most people are searching the internet for just about everything. Having a social media and internet presence makes it easier to be found by people who are searching for your services. I don't care how good of a detailer you think you are, if no one knows who you are, you won't get any customers. Now take this appointment for instance. The customer found me online and booked me online. 3 vehicles at one location, so I knew I had to come prepared. Ashley came along for the ride to put in work, plus it's a very good payday for the both of us. Before the appointment starts, I talked to the customer about the particulars, and he told me that when he saw my website, that he knew I was a detailer for him. So listen up. If you don't have a social media presence, get one. If you don't have a website, get one. You'll thank me later. Now people are watching, so make sure you come prepared. Me, I prepared for this appointment the night before. I washed towels, filled up chemicals, checked equipment, and made minor repairs. All of that shows professionalism. And since you're being seen, that's what your customers and your potential customers like to see. New customers are always amazed on how we are self-contained with water and electricity. Also on how efficient we are. Mobile auto detailing is nothing new, but you'll be surprised on the people that's never seen it. It's always that wow factor. People are watching, so put on the show. If you watch my videos, you'll notice that I rarely use the foam cannon, but today I'm in the richest neighborhood in the county, so it's time to put on the show. So it's foam everywhere. I know you see this DA polisher, but I'm just applying wax. It looks cool, doesn't it? It looks professional. Pesser buyers and onlookers are looking like, wow, he's buffing. People are actually searching the internet for mobile auto detailing. Will your company pop up in the top 3 or 5 when a potential customer searches mobile auto detailing near me? Word of mouth is too slow unless it's via social media. Google, Facebook, and Instagram works if you work it. Post videos, post before and after pictures, and get reviews to grow your presence. As your presence grows, your phone will start to ring. So if you're afraid to talk to people, it's time to work on those social skills. My internet presence brought me to this neighborhood, and my physical presence got me the 4th vehicle of the day. While detailing the last vehicle of this appointment, the next door neighbor stops by and asked about my services. After conversing briefly, he decided to purchase a standard detail package. And that's all right with me because I had just enough time before dark. See what I'm talking about? It never fails. Being seen working just does something with potential customers, especially neighbors. They want to know what's going on. Sometimes they even compete. They don't want to be left out. I have all my packages memorized, so I can quickly give inquiring customers prices and all the details of my packages. I even practice saying it so it comes off natural. Customers want information quickly. They don't need a lot of explanation. They just want the price and what you're going to do for that price. Don't forget about the customer that you're currently serving while being seen by potential customers. They are watching. Remain professional, put in that work, and they will appreciate it. Detailing 3 vehicles in one visit can be a lot. The customer is watching how you're going to manage, how efficient you are, and the most important, the results of the detail. Both customers satisfied, and tipped pretty well. They had no choice. Me and Ashton provided a great service and a level of convenience. In this case, the customer felt like I did them the favor. Just think about it. They were able to get all their vehicles clean without leaving the house. Some people pay top dollar for that. Sun up to sundown. I love this shit. We were here all day, passed out a dozen cards, talked to a few neighbors, and we even scheduled an appointment for the next day. Be seen. Don't just rely on word of mouth. Everyone who knows you should know that you detail vehicles. Stay visible through multiple platforms. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.